Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are in Missouri City in the community called Park Edge. Now Park Edge is a D.R. Horton community, which means D.R. Horton is the only builder in this community. Now this builder is allowing you to choose from seven different floor plans. Now the home that we're going to view today is called the Irving. The Irving is a one-story home with 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a study. It is a little over 2,600 square feet, and currently the starting price of this home is a little bit above the $400,000 mark. Now, the thing about Park Edge, it is a very popular community, and they're not selling homes right now. What they're doing is they are allowing the buyers to come in and put down a deposit for the lots. And once they get to a certain stage, which is the framing stage, that is when you will write your contract. So we're going to take a quick tour of this beautiful home behind me. And by the way, if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And do me a favor, if you have not already done so, please hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of new videos weekly. Let's go ahead and get started. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this home built by D.R. Horton. Could you believe that it was actually a 5-bedroom home? So much space, and it's only a 1-story, which is very hard to find, especially in Houston. So if you have any comments about this home, about this builder, the community, or anything else, please leave it in the comments section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And if you have not already, hit that subscribe, like, and that share. Make sure you do that before this video ends. I will greatly appreciate it. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.